Our journey starts in Kanazawa. It is one of the few cities in Japan to have been spared the ravages of the Second World War. The city has stood the test of time, and many features of the former medieval capital remain. Situated on the west coast of Honshu, the main island in the Japanese archipelago, Kanazawa is also its historic center. Its castle was the stronghold of the powerful Maeda clan, who resided there in the 16th century. In its streets, you can still see the houses the samurais lived in and the neighborhoods the geishas performed in. Kanazawa is known as the City of Gold. Working with gold is an art here, and it's lip-smackingly good.
It's very good. This ice cream has an intensely milky flavor. It's delicious. The gold leaf doesn't have any particular flavor. You can't really taste it. But given that the gold leaf costs 500 yen, I'm savoring every mouthful. It's delicious.
In the historic neighborhood of Kanazawa, some of these workshops have been making gold leaf for over 400 years. They date back to when the overlords of the Maeda clan decided to start investing in the arts instead of war. Gold became the best material to honor that policy.
– 400 years ago, during the Edo period, the Maeda overlords brought craftsmen here from Kyoto and Tokyo, and that's how our craft developed.
Shigeru Yamazaki is carrying on this long tradition. He was trained by a master, as was his wife, who works alongside him.
First, you take a 6-centimeter square gold leaf, which is 1/1000th of a millimeter thick, and then you place it between the pages of this book.
Over the course of several days, using this machine, Shigeru repeatedly presses the book containing the gold leaves, enlarging them to the required size. This is the result.
The gold leaves are very thin now, 1/10,000th of a millimeter thick. It all has to be done by hand, because gold leaf is extremely malleable. What's more, gold leaf sticks to the paper, so you have to handle it with these chopsticks, known as hashi. It's very hard to slide it across. There, that's it. It takes at least 10 years to master the art of making gold leaf. The other skill you need to master is the art of working kneeling down. It can take 10 years for your body to get used to that too.
Kanazawa produces all the nation's gold leaf. It is used to decorate temples, statues, and precious objects. Shigeru Nishimura uses gold powder in his craft.
This is pure gold that has been ground down to a powder. It has been sieved to make sure that all the gold particles are the same size. This gold is extremely fiddly to produce, so it's quite expensive. Even this relatively small amount cost me just over 40,000 yen.
Shigeru applies the gold to lacquer, like on this decorative tray.
Kanazawa overlooks the Sea of Japan. The sea is often rough and there is low cloud. I wanted to portray those moments when the sea is angry. I'm trying to portray as accurately as possible this landscape that I know so well. I did a line drawing by hand, and now I'm sprinkling gold powder onto the lacquer. It will scatter everywhere, even outside the lines I've drawn. It's not shiny yet, but once it's been properly applied and polished, it will sparkle like gold. Gold can be either vulgar or refined. It goes with everything, but it scares me because it is reflective. If I manage to bring out the beauty of the gold, it will retain this distinctive yellow colour that we all love for eternity.
Gold is the colour of this craft, which has been passed down since the 16th century.
Our tradition dates back 4 centuries. The skill has been passed down through so many generations. I am so grateful to General Maeda Toshi. In a way, I'm expressing my gratitude to him by passing on my craft.